Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all fine and happy to meet you after this Diwali holidays. So today we are going to start a new chapter from Geography, Chapter 3, Our Changing Earth. Our Changing Earth. So we are going to see about our changing Earth. Okay. This is the first video from this chapter. Okay, children, so listen very attentively. Okay, dear children, so let's start. Okay, first we are going to see about lithospheric plates. First, we are going to see about lithospheric plates. So, what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the top layer, uppermost layer of the earth crust. Okay, dear children. So this lithosphere is broken into number of plates known as lithospheric plates. So the lithosphere is divided into number of plates that is called as lithospheric plates. Okay, dear children, very good. Next, these plates move around very slowly because why it moves? Movement of molten magma. What is molten magma? Fire like magma. Have you seen, right? That fire coming out of volcanoes is that molten magma that is in molten stage, that molten magma inside the earth. Okay, dear children, so what is lithospheric plate? Lithosphere is broken into number of plates, that is called lithospheric plates. Okay, dear children, that is the first point. And second point, these plates move. Okay, move from place to place. Why it is moving? Because of the movement of molten magma. Okay, dear children, are you clear with this slide? Okay, let's move to the next slide. The molten magma inside the earth moves in a circular manner. Okay, so how the molten magma moves? It moves in circular manner. It moves in circular manner. Okay, dear children. Then the movement of these plates causes changes on the surface of the earth. So because of this movement, what happens? We are facing changes on the surface of the earth. First point is lithosphere is divided into number of plates, that is called as lithospheric plates. And what is second point? Children, why these plates move? These plates move because of the movement of molten magma. Okay, dear children, notice the third point. This molten magma moves in circular manner. And what is the last point? The movement of these plates causes changes on the surface of the earth. Okay, dear children, are you all clear? Very good. Next, the earth movements are divided on the basis of forces which cause them. Endogenic forces. Endogenic forces and exogenic forces. How many type of forces, children? Two types. Endogenic forces and exogenic forces. Okay. First, we are going to see about endogenic forces. Okay. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces. So what is endogenic forces? Forces acts in the interior of the earth. Interior of the earth are called endogenic forces. Okay. So endogenic forces or sometimes produce sudden movements and sometimes produce slow movement. Okay, sometimes it creates sudden movement. Okay, like earthquake, volcanoes. Okay, and sometimes very small movement. Okay, so if it causes sudden movement like earthquake and volcanoes, what happen? We may face many destruction, right? Many damage to life and our property. We face many damages. Okay, dear children. So you all know earthquake, right? Our earth is move like it will dance, right? Our earth will dance. Okay, so that is called earthquake. Okay, so we'll see detail about earthquake and volcano in the coming slides. Okay, then exogenic. What is exogenic forces? So what is exogenic forces? So exogenic forces means that acts on the surface of the earth. That acts on the surface of the earth. Okay, dear children, that acts on the surface of the earth. Okay, so forces works on the surface of the earth is called exogenic, and forces works in the interior of the earth is called endogenic. Understood the difference, children? Very good. Next, now we are going to see about volcano. Do you know about volcano? Yes, very good. So volcano is a small vent in the earth crust. Okay, in our earth crust. Crust is the top layer, right? In that earth crust is a small vent, like opening, through which the molten material erupts suddenly. So look here how that magma is coming out. See? So volcano is a small vent through which molten material erupts, comes out suddenly. Okay, dear children. So are you clear about volcano? Very good. So next, earthquake. So earthquake, how it is caused? When the lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates. Okay, vibrates. Okay, like it used to shake and it travels all around the earth. These vibrations are called earthquake. These vibrations are called earthquake. So look this picture, what see? How damaged, how many destructions. See? So recently have you heard about any earthquakes? In Nepal we heard, right? Recent attack in Nepal. That is a severe damage. So if earthquake is severe, we face many damage to our property and life. Okay, dear children. Next, now we are going to see about what is focus. So focus, the place in the crust where the movement start is called focus. So earthquake is caused by the movement of the plates, right? So where the movement start is called focus. Is called focus. Okay, dear children, and the place right and on the surface of the earth. Okay, from focus and the straight line that touches the surface of the earth, that is called epicenter. Clear, children? So what is focus? The place where the movement start is called focus, and the place straight above the focus that touches the surface of the earth is called epicenter. Okay, dear children? The place on the surface above the focus is called epicenter. Okay, dear children. Next, vibrations travel outwards from the epicenter as waves. So if epicenter is like this, this vibrations travels like waves. Okay, dear children, it travels like waves. And the greatest damage is near the place of epicenter. Near the place of epicenter, the damage will be more, and when it goes far away, the damage decreases. Understood? The force will be very high near the epicenter, and away it reduces. Okay, dear children? Okay. Studying some common animal behavior, we can guess the earthquake. That means we can predict earthquake by studying animal behavior. Like fish in the ponds were moving there and here restlessly, and snakes coming to the surface and birds flying very aggressively. Okay, so these are some common animal behavior. With that, we can predict earthquake. Okay, dear children. So that's all for today's class. Okay, so first what we have seen about what is lithospheric plate. Okay, then we have seen about two types of forces. Okay, and after that we have seen about earthquake, volcano. Then from earthquake we have seen focus, epicenter. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So we'll meet in the next YouTube class with more topics related to this lesson. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Until then, read whatever I have taught from book and learn the questions. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.